Raychem RPG manufactures products that cater to the growing energy needs of India. I would say in that sense, we are a partner in nation building. Before moving to Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, we had an ERP which had approximately 300 customizations. And what happens when you do too many customizations to an ERP is it makes the system unstable. It's also prone to a lot of errors when the APIs fail between the satellite systems and the ERP. And it was also a problem for us to maintain so many satellite systems, which only means that you have that many more number of vendors to whom or with whom you need to interact. And we wanted to have everything in one platform so that we can have that platform talk to one another and give us the data that we need rather than satellite systems trying to interact with ERP. So Raychem RPG chose the Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite because it's one single integrated system where you have several functionalities which are embedded in it. And we were looking for a stack of products on which we can nicely build up to look at how our organization is going to grow and what kind of needs might come in the future. So we chose to partner with Oracle Consulting to implement the Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, because if the product is being sold to us by Oracle, it would add a great value if we had them to implement it for us, in which case the implementer also knows what the product's capabilities are and possibilities of enhancement, and they would guide us better in our journey during the implementation. We decided to have one big bang implementation. We did that in 10 months, and we did that across CX, CRM CPQ, SCM, and the ERP all in one go. Moving to an Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite has helped us to bring together all those products and get rid of satellite systems. We now are a more cohesive force as Raychem RPG. Since we use one single platform with one single moment of truth, the data can be shared between the various functions. So sales can use the data to provide to supply chain, who can then provide that information to the manufacturing team. So we are one unit, I would say, who can operate cohesively for the growth of our organization. After implementing Oracle Fusion Cloud Application Suite, we have seen purchase orders getting automated, and that's a big relief for us. We don't have to put in manual efforts to convert a PR into a PO. We have also seen cycle time reduction on the PR to PO conversion from 5 days to almost zero. We have also seen a 25% improvement in the response time in case of competitive biddings with the suppliers. And we have seen contracts being automated and digitized in the process. When we were exploring Oracle as a partner, we realized that they have built a product which is an amalgam of several industry best practices globally, which means that the suite itself will tell us how do we reorient ourselves and how do we improve on our process capabilities. So we look at this partnership with Oracle to be very symbiotic. We can learn from them in terms of what the best practices are, and in turn provide them what are the growing needs of a manufacturing organization so they can make their products even better.